What's up, Stellar XLM Holders? How are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the warning alert news for all XLM holders, my friends. This is warning video for all XLM holders. Keep watch this video and never miss any second of this video, my friends. Let's start the video, friends. But before starting this interesting video, please, my friends, click the subscribe button, like this video, my friends. It's time. You know what? A lot of people ask me questions about Stellar XLM investment. Is it a good time to invest in a XLM or not, my friends? So my friends, the currently price of the XLM is very badly as very low, 0.32. You can see here 0.323576 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the XLM. On the other side, you can see here from the price changes, you can see here that last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, the whole chain is okay, and the XLM is negative. So that's mean that the price of XLM is going down, completely fast down occur in the Stellar XLM. So if we look the price chart of the XLM, so we can easily understand that VeChain in this time, VeChain is not a good investment, my friends. You can see here now, my friends, it's a falling time of VeChain, so XLM, so I think it's not a perfect time to invest in a XLM, my friends. My recommendation for all of you is that please wait for a few days, and after a few days you can invest in a XLM, my friends. The current situation of the XLM is going wrong. You can see here from the price chart, that's clear, and that the VeChain price is going down. You can see here take a jump, fall down, and now the falling time of the XLM are again starts now. So be alert and be safe from loss. Don't invest in an XLM at this time because the price is going down. And when the XLM start pump, so I think it's this time is a good for investment when they start pumping, my friends. Wait for a few days, my friends. Anyways, remember the term financial advisory. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.